Hello everybody, Fire here, and today I'm making another powder toy tutorial. And today we're going to be doing a photon laser. Now what we can do is, for the start, we can get something called PCLN, and by holding down Shift or Control is what I'm going to be using right now, you can do that. Then you can add these little parts to it. This is just this is needed if you want to add like an on and off switch. Now what you're going to want to do is get some photons. I'm going to pause this space. If you already know all the keybinds, I'm just saying it for those that don't know it. Now with PSCN, I can never say those correctly, you can add this part and that part within SCN. Now, what you can do is you can put some void around this part, and this is going to eat up all the photons that try to escape. Now, you don't want anything to touch this PCLN. You're going to want to make it so that it doesn't touch it, so then it doesn't go through. Now, whenever you do that, it'll create a laser like that. Now, it's only 922 degrees. The most you can probably melt is probably going to be metal. Probably not even that. Yeah, not even that. But what you can do is that you can separate it so that it doesn't melt the buttons with a good old insulator, or what I would use is frame. Frame can last through fire. So I get me a good chunk of frame and then quite a bit of this. And I'll have it touch the protons, the photons. Wow. Look at me. Now another thing you could do is you can also remove all this, and we're going to make it a plasma heated thing. Alrighty. Now this is a little thing. You can save stuff if you wanted. Like so. You can just click S and then it'll save. And then you can place it down. Now I'm just going to remove this part and add a little bit of clone in the middle of both of these. Now right after that, I'm adding in plasma. Now that makes the laser hot on these little edges, to the point that it can melt through metal. But why stop there with your photons? Especially whenever you can make it have a different color. For instance, red. You can add little bits into it if you wanted, make it still have some of that white in it, and it'll look like that. Now, you can always have your fire enabled, so that it look like just that. But I have mine disabled so then you can see the laser. Now, to turn it off, you want NSCN. This is what your laser could look like. This is it on for me. This is off. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and or subscribe. Thank you all for watching. See you all later. Bye.